Space, the endless void of continuity and room for exploration filled with black holes, constellations, satellites, stars, galaxies. I'm Ritvik, this is the Mechatricon, and today we're going to be exploring and taking a journey through robotics and space and its future. From mining resources on the moon to exploring the oceans of other planets, the possibilities are truly endless. So without further ado, let's buckle up and dive into the world of robotics in space.
But the biggest news to come out of Russia was the story of the year, perhaps of our generation. Not one, but two artificial moons.
The story of robotics in space began in 1958 with the Soviet Union's Sputnik 3 satellite.
Sputnik and Mutnik they were called, for in the second rode a dog, Laika, the first earthly life to travel in outer space, to prove that...
Since then, robots have been used in countless space missions, including the Mars rover, which has been exploring the Red Planet since 1997. In fact, NASA's Perseverance rover has just landed on Mars this February of 2021, and it will be exploring the planet for further signs of life. But did you know, first robot to fly to space was actually back in 1961. It was a robot named Gagarin 1, and it was sent to orbit by the Soviet Union again, winning the space race. And here's another fun fact for you. The first animal to orbit the Earth was a dog named Laika, who was sent up in a spaceship in 1957. Future of robotics in space is looking very promising. For instance, one of the most exciting developments is the prospect of mining resources on the moon and other planets. These robots could help establish our permanent presence on the planets and provide valuable resources that could be used to fuel further space missions. And they've been valued at trillions and trillions of dollars. And it's not just planets, it's moons, it's asteroids all in the Kepler belt. There's a limitless opportunity of space mining and the resources it could provide to us. NASA has also proposed a plan for a Mars sample return mission using robotic technology to collect rock samples and soil samples from Mars and take them back to our home planet for further studies and investigation. But there are some exciting things happening in the world of space robots too. For instance, researchers are currently developing swarm robots that can work together in a swarm to complete complex tasks in space. These robots could work together to build structures or repair equipment such as the International Space Station. Now this would make space exploration more efficient, cost-effective and sustainable for us. Robots, they're playing a crucial role in space exploration already. From robots that explore the surface of planets and provide us with valuable data, even about our own planet. In fact, there are plans to send robots to explore the oceans of planets like Mercury, Mars, etc. And this could help us discover new forms of life. Speaking of exploring other robots, did you know NASA's Voyager 1 spacecraft, launched in 1977, is now the farthest human-made object from the Earth? Can you guess how far it is? Over 14 billion miles away, and still sending back information and data about our solar system back to us. That is a truly fascinating part of robotics. Now, while robotics have accomplished great feats in space exploration, there are always challenges, hardships that are faced when using robots on any machine in space or on Earth. For example, space is a hostile environment. It's the unknown for which we're only learning day by day by day, and it can be tough on technology. Robots and machines have to withstand extreme temperatures, radiation, hazards, and there's always the unpredictable. Additionally, robots require significant amount of power to operate, which can be difficult to come by in space. There are numerous ideas being explored for the travel of robots and machinery, including satellites, one of which is a solar sail, which utilizes particles that travel along with the sun to power equipment and machines to be able to travel. But researchers and engineers are constantly coming up with new robots, new ways to make them more capable and effective in space. Robotics is always a process of improvement where one can always improve and get better and better and better. In fact, one of the most exciting and promising development in space right now is utilization of artificial intelligence to help robots make decisions and change and adapt according to conditions in space. They do not need manual entry or prediction by us back in Earth, but rather adaptability, which is a key thing that has been missing so far. Let's take a closer look at some of the recent case studies. For example, the International Space Station, ISS, has a robotic arm called Canadarm2, which has been used to move equipment and supplies around the station. This would have been extremely difficult to perform by manual labor and by astronauts. Adding on to the benefits and capabilities of robotics in space though, there's the Curiosity rover exploring Mars since 2012. Over a decade, it's equipped with a robotic arm that drills into rocks and collects samples for analysis. Another example is the Mars helicopter. Yes, helicopter, which was recently sent to Mars along with the Perseverance rover. This is the first time a powered aircraft has been sent to another planet, and it will be used to explore areas that the rovers can't reach. Now, let's also not forget Robonaut, the humanoid robot that was sent to the ISS in 2011. This was designed to assist and help the crew with tasks that are otherwise dangerous or difficult for humans to perform. Let's take a break from all the serious talk and look at some of the funnier moments involving robots in space. In 2011, a Russian robot named Fedor was sent to the ISS but had a bit of a docking situation at the station. In the end, it was successfully brought on board, but it spun out of control a few times. Yes, you heard me right. It spun out of control, spun much like a fidget spinner. Also, who could forget the time that a NASA engineer accidentally called the Mars rover Curvy instead of Curiosity during a press conference? The internet had a field day with that one. But perhaps the funniest moment involving robots in space came from a Twitter exchange between NASA and the Curiosity rover. The rover sent out a tweet to NASA asking for a new software update, and NASA responded by saying they would get right on it. The Curiosity rover then replied with a sassy "Don't forget to send snacks" comment. And there you have it, folks. A journey through the world of robotics in space, a journey through the development and evolution of human technology and discovery, from the past to the present to the prospective future, to all the challenges and achievements in between. We hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new along the way. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. Until next time, keep exploring the universe, stay content in knowing that the future of robotics is bright, and keep laughing at the funny moments on the way. This is Ritvik, this is on the Mechatricon, signing off.